ain't gonna do a burnout.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost GT500, coming at you with this other video, man. As you can see behind me, I'm at Sal's Autoworks. Like you saw in my last video, I was dropping off the F-250 to get a lot of parts done, and we're gonna come check the truck out. I'm gonna let y'all know, I had to take a peek. I had to. What you guys see this thing look like, man? Woo-wee! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chat, tell me what you guys think, man. I think Sal's Autoworks did a banging job on this thing. Banging job, Dave. My man Dave. Y'all killed it.
Congratulations.
Y'all killed it. Y'all definitely killed it. The wheels, the lift, everything. Guys, I'm gonna let Dave tell you guys exactly what they did to the truck, what parts they put on, and I'm gonna let him take over from here. Dave?
So, what's up, guys? In collaboration with Jermaine, we picked out some absolutely stunning Vossen wheels for this truck.
This came out amazing.
Beautiful wheels. First set, I believe, that they've done on this truck from Vossen direct. Custom set of wheels, 22s, sitting on a 37-inch tire. Nitto Ridge grappler. Really sets this truck apart. Perfect poke. We've got it on a 3.5-inch ReadyLift lift kit. ReadyLift bags on the back with heavy-duty compressor, remote control, dual adjustability. Set up around the back.
Nice.
Got ourselves a set of hitch lights, BMC hitch lights, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh yeah. You guys did that too. Hold on.
Absolutely did. So
What you guys think of this lift kit, guys? Yeah. What did we do again? What was the lift?
It's a 3.5-inch lift kit from ReadyLift. Yep.
Nice.
Custom painted calipers. Really make them pop out a little bit.
Hey guys, this what I like about coming to shops like Sal's Autoworks, right? I didn't ask to have the calipers painted, but basically they said, you know what, the truck will look better. Let's just do it. I like that. I mean, listen, whatever they think is gonna make the truck look better, I'm with it. And they took it upon themselves and painted the calipers, and I think that was a nice touch. Appreciate it, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it goes to our motto, which is your ride, our pride.
Yeah, I like that.
You know, it's what we live, it's what we breathe. It's not just something that's written on our doormat when you walk in.
Yeah.
We would treat it like it's our own truck. What would we like to do on the truck? We think red calipers look good, we're going to do that. We know it's not something you're going to complain, you're going to like it.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
all elegant, tasteful stuff, and that's part of the sales difference. That's what we
Absolutely.
do.
And you guys did a killing job, man.
We've got our light bar at the back over there too. That's going to make loading that trailer up at night really easy. Turn that on, all hooked up to the factory auxiliary switches.
Oh, nice.
So as per your request, we've got auxiliary switch 1 and 2 wired up.
Nice.
1 is going to be for your air compressor, and 2 is going to be for your hitch lights.
Nice.
So you'll be able to switch those on right from there. Factory setup, no strange switches anywhere. Remote control sitting in the middle.
Awesome job,
Dual
man.
adjustability on the airbags.
Wow.
Really sits nice, Jermaine.
I'm amazed, man. I'm amazed. It definitely, I didn't have a picture like this, so it definitely took the words out of my mouth because this looks great. The stance is great. The wheel setup is perfect. I have no complaints. No complaints. Everything is clean. You can barely see the airbags in the back. You don't even see the pump. You don't see no pump or nothing. So, you got clean work. And also, they suggested some things as well. So the truck is gonna come back. We're gonna do some more stuff to it.
Yep, we got some ideas to take this to the next level. Again, just little tweaks here and there, nothing too crazy, but we'll fine tune it next time you go away.
Absolutely. And like I said, guys, in the last video, this is my workhorse. So I'm gonna be pulling my gaming trailer with this. Now I'm gonna be pulling in style. And these BMC Hitch Bar lights definitely will help out big time at night when I'm trying to park it. So appreciate it, guys. Appreciate Sal's Autoworks, Dave, Sal.
Congratulations.
You guys want to add anything else, Dave? You good?
We also did mud flap delete,
Oh,
air
yeah.
dam installation on the front.
All right.
Little odds and ends, things like that, which
Yeah.
again, hopefully you figure all that stuff out when you put it in your driver. We wish you luck with it, Jermaine.
Appreciate it.
And look forward to seeing you for the next phase.
Definitely.
All right, brother.
This is what we have, guys. Thank you again. I hope you guys liked the video. I'm going to put all the items in the description down below. Hit that like, and then check you in another video. Peace.